back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to upscale low resolution images using Magnific AI. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, you need to first of all open your Magnific AI. Now to upscale a low resolution image with Magnific AI, you need to first accept the privacy and terms of service letter or the command box. Once you have done this, you need to upload an image. Once you have uploaded an image as well, you need to choose a scale or factor. First of all, simply get logged into your account, and once everything is sorted, you need to simply upload a picture right over there. So now once you have uploaded the image, you need to simply choose a scale or factor, example 2x, 4x, 8x, 16x, and select an optimization like standard, 3D render, or portrait. Adjust the creativity, HDR, and resemblance slider to refine the result, and add a prompt to emphasize specific details, and then click upscale. After you have done this, you will be able to upscale low resolution images using your Magnific AI. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.